National Educator.
Hello, grade 1 learner. Welcome to our mathematical activities lesson. Today, we are going to look at numbers. We're going to do subtraction. And in the subtraction, we are going to subtract numbers by counting backwards. We're going to subtract numbers by counting backwards, and also we're going to subtract a one-digit number from a two-digit number using basic addition facts. Welcome, my learner. Today is the washing day at home. And guess what? Mother has a big heap of clothes to wear. She has a very big heap of clothes to wash. And she's wondering, will I be able to wash all these clothes? It's not possible. Lana, can we help Mama think of what to do? Because it seems she cannot wash the whole heap of clothes in one day. Good. Maybe she can decide to wash some of the clothes and leave others for the next day. And so, what she will do, she will remove the dark colors, take all the dark colors to be washed another day. As she is removing the dark colors, you will notice that the heap now is not as big as it was. Now she has fewer clothes to wash. As she is removing the dark colors, guess what she's doing? She's subtracting. She is subtracting. Learners, when we subtract, we are left with a smaller number. In this case, after she has subtracted the dark colors, Mama is left with a smaller heap of clothes to wash. And to our lesson today, dear learner, I have some pegs with me here. I am going to remove some of the pegs. Learner, as I am removing the pegs, I am subtracting. I am subtracting, and in the end, learner, I shall be left with very few pegs. See what I'm doing? I'm removing. Removing is the same as subtracting. The number keeps getting smaller and smaller. I am subtracting. I am subtracting some pegs from the big heap that I had. Look at my heap now. I have been left with white pegs, and if you look closely, the pegs are not as many as they were. I have subtracted some pegs, and now I have been left with fewer number of pens. Thank you, my learner. Let us look at this chart here. Let us remind ourselves counting forward from number 1 to 20. I count forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have counted forward from number 1 to number 20. Learner, I am now going to count backwards, starting from number 20 to number 1. Listen and follow. I start from 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember, my learner, in the beginning we said that we are going to subtract numbers by counting backwards. Now it's your turn, learner, to count backwards. I want you to count backwards from number 20 to number 1. Are you ready? Let's go. Very good, my learner. I give you a clap. Learner, I have 10, take away 3. Remember, we are counting backwards. We are subtracting by counting backwards. So, I have my 10 fingers. I am going to count 3 steps backwards. From 10, I go 9, 8, 7. I have counted 3 steps. How many fingers am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10, take away 3, I got 7 by counting backwards. Let's do another sum. 10, take away 5. We are subtracting by counting backwards. Here are my 10 fingers. I am going to count 5 steps backwards. 5. So I'll go 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I have just counted 5 steps backwards. How many fingers am I left with? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10, take away 5. I remained with 5 fingers. One last example, Lana. I have 10, take away 8. I am not using the counters. No. I am using my fingers to count backwards. 10. My 10 fingers. Take away 8. So from 10, counting backwards, and I go 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. How many fingers am I left with after counting 8 steps backwards? I am left with 2. And now, dear Lana, try working out 10, take away 7 by counting backwards. Maybe with the person next to you. Can you count 7 steps backwards from 10? And tell me what you get. I have 10 fingers. I count 7 steps backwards. From 10, I count 7 steps backwards. So we start from 10, we go 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. How many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3. Did you get your answer as 3? Well done, Melana. Another sum for you. What is 10 take away 4? Try to work out 10, take away 4 by counting backwards. Right? 10, we count 4 steps backwards. From 10, we go to 9, 8, 7, 6. These are 4 steps backwards. How many fingers am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lana, did you get your answer as 6? Good. Give yourself a clap. Well done, Lana. Next, we are going to use basic addition facts to do subtraction. Lana, if you're given 14, take away 6. I don't want to use counters. So I'll ask myself, how many do I add to 6 to get 14? So what I'll do, I'll add on to 6. I count up to 14. So I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then I'll count how many have I added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer here is 8. And if you add 8 plus 6, you will get 14. Let me do one more example before I give you some work to do. I have 18 take away 5. 18 take away 5. Lana, I ask myself, how many do I add to 5 to get 18? So I'll add on 5. From 5, I count up to 18. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. From 5, I've counted on up to 18. Now I count the number of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. My answer is 13. Lana, you will see that 13 plus 5 will give us 18. And now, Lana, I have some work for you to do. Try 15, take away 7. Remember, you are adding on to 7 to make 15. So let's count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many have we added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 15 take away 7, you get 8. And it is true because if you add 8 plus 7, you get 15. 12 take away 6. We add on to 6. We count up to 12. 6, 6, you go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's count how many we've added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer here is 6. Our answer is 6. And it is true because 6 plus 6 gives us 12. Next one, Lana, try 16 take away 9. 16 take away 9. Let us add on to 9. We count up to 16. 9, 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many have we added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is 7. It is true because when you add 7 plus 9, you get 16. Lana, I hope that you have enjoyed doing subtraction using basic addition facts. And now I leave you with some homework to do during your free time. You have number 1, do 16 take away 9. Number 2, it is 17 take away 8. Number 3, 12 take away 4. And the last one is 4 take away 3. Do that work and you can show it to your caretaker or caregiver at home. And with that, we come to the end of our lesson. I hope you have enjoyed. Till next time, it is bye.
National Educator.